Hi Donna, this is Ginger. Welcome to the Academy. Wow, gorgeous picture. I like your clouds a lot. One of the things I like to do is I don't always do a video pack. And sometimes when we're traveling, our internet isn't good enough, so it takes a few more days to get you the, your pack back if I have to upload it like I'm doing now because the internet's so slow. But let me just do the one thing I like to do. See if we flattened everything here. Okay, I think I did. Let's see. Let's come over here. We like to do the color filters. And what that does is shows you your black and white of your painting. And what you're looking for always is contrast. Like wherever there's a light, there's a dark. So you can see that we need more light clouds around the tail, okay? And we also need some more light on this tree. Now, it felt to me like you had maybe cut part of the picture off with your photograph. If you didn't, okay? If you didn't mean to do that, or if this is absolutely how you painted it, then what you need to have here is a bit more log, and you need this tree going up more. Whoops, hang on a second. I ran out of room with my mouse. You need to come up here like this, and again, have a bit more tree, so that because I did a square and you've got a a rectangle. So what has happened is that it's not going to be balanced as easily. So besides having the lights and the darks, you're going to want to bring this tree up higher here. I mean, obviously I'm doing this with a computer, so I can't quite do it the way I might. So if you want to leave this limb here, just bring up something like this through here, and then maybe, I don't know if I would keep this one or not. Maybe not. You can see if you like it. Oops, I don't like that line. But you don't really see this one anyway. You almost could paint it out. But if you wanted to do it, but something like that. And the same thing here with this, because we want to suggest that this is all the same branch, okay? And I think I would bring this up a little taller too, thin but taller. So, and then maybe on this side, because again, we don't have a much of a, we're not dealing with a square. We're doing a rectangle. That might balance this out a little bit more here too. So we've got these branches again doing this. And again, what you want to look for is wherever there's a light, there's a dark. So kind of this area in here needs, next to this bird, needs to be lighter. This area here, you just need to lighten the clouds a little bit around your birds. Though you did a wonderful job on the birds. I like them very much. Anyway, those are my great suggestions. Where did this go? I hope you found that helpful. And let me put it back into black and white, out of black and white for you. Let's see, how did we do that? Effects. There, and you got to see what I'm talking about, how you've just got to lighten some stuff and make sure that you've got some light on the branches and everything. So great job, and I hope to see. Use the same ticket. Open this ticket up. Use the same ticket when you're replying back to me so that we can keep a thread. And hope you found this helpful.